So what we at Goregaon East did is that we organized a all society secretaries meet. A team of about 7 to 8 volunteers went out every day for 4 days and invited about 60 of the secretaries in our neighboring areas. During the meeting, we told all the secretaries who had assembled the idea of pressure group and how we can bring about a change in our own area. All the secretaries were kicked about this idea, and they were really excited to take this forward because most of them said that they were never being approached by such a platform before. We told them how important this group of secretaries can be for our future issues. The first issue that we told them we should take up is the voter awareness and the voter turnout. All the secretaries were very overwhelmed by this idea. Volunteer for Better India gave them different ideas of how they can take it forward in their particular society and make sure that there would be 90%, in fact more than 90% voting from their society itself. So Volunteer for a Better India gave them some pointers on which they can work in their society. Appoint some volunteers in the building and go door to door and spread this awareness in the residents that how important their vote is. Arrange a car to the polling station during the election day. These are some ideas which had come up, and all the secretaries are very willing to take this forward, not only till the election but for the future also. It would be better if you introduce VBI, what VBI has done till now, and also show them some videos which have been already uploaded on our YouTube channel. After seeing these videos, the audience got connected with what we are doing. During the meeting, a chairman, Mr. Michael Coelho, shared that this is the first time since he's staying since 1995 that all the society representatives have come together for a big cause. From today's experience, I feel assured that all the secretaries who had come will definitely make sure that more than 90% people from their society will go out and vote. I feel this should be replicated all over India so that we can reach the maximum people out there.